Today's topic is immediate denture. Last time we have seen about over denture. Now we will be saying about immediate denture. These are the contents of today's topic. Introduction. We'll start from definition. So according to GPT, a complete denture or removable partial denture fabricated for the placement of hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, continue.
A complete denture or removable partial denture fabricated for the placement immediately after the removal of natural teeth. These are the types of immediate denture: conventional immediate denture, interim immediate denture. This is requirement for immediate complete denture: compatibility with oral environment, restoration of masticatory efficiency within limits, function in harmony with activity necessary in speech, respiration, deglutition, aesthetic acceptability, preservation of tissue that remains. So these are the requirements for the complete immediate dentures. So the denture must be compatible with oral environment. It should restore the masticatory as well as speech, respiratory efficiency, and it is aesthetically acceptable, and preservation of the tissue that remains. These are requirements. The reasons for immediate denture replacement: physical factors, psychological and physiological factors. So immediate denture helps in patient to restore masticatory efficacy after extraction, immediately after extraction. So patient should not face any edentulism period. So it is mentally beneficial for the patient, as patient should able to masticate, speak, and it restores the aesthetic. So contraindication for immediate denture is poor general health, then uncooperative patient, elderly patient, patient suffering from diabetes, tuberculosis, and other debilitating disease, extreme cases, and patient with a sound oral health. So, if patient is not able to maintain the danger, or patient is uncooperative, elderly patient, so patient suffering from diabetes, patient suffering from diabetes may in a diabetic patient, bone resorption tend to occur. So this is the contraindication for the immediate denture. So advantages of immediate denture is appearance. So immediately after the extraction, we can restore the aesthetics. So after the extraction, the before extraction, we see the patient's vertical height, then the patient tooth size, tooth color. So it helps in maintaining the appearance of patient. So patient is happy with immediate denture because it helps in restoring the vertical height. Then it helps in selection of teeth, etc. So circumoral support and muscle tone, vertical dimension of occlusion, jaw relation, facial height is maintained. So as we have seen that you restore the teeth immediately after the extraction. So there is a circumoral support and muscle tone. So there is no loss of muscle tone because there is no edentulism period. So vertical dimension of occlusion. So before pre-extraction records helps in restoring the vertical dimensions of occlusion. Then facial height is maintained, less pain, as we place denture immediately after the extraction. So it helps in local application of ointment like soothing agents. So it is easier to duplicate adaptation of denture. So patient is easily adapted to the denture than the conventional denture in case of immediate denture. So tissue conditioners are we can apply the tissue conditioners on the tissue surface of the denture, and psychologically social well-being is preserved. So these are the advantages of the immediate denture. Disadvantages: anterior ridge undercut, interference, incorrect centric occlusion, inability to accomplish the denture trying, chair time, cost, more difficult and demanding procedure, functional activity is impaired. So, if there is an anterior ridge undercut, this is main disadvantage of immediate denture, because anterior ridge undercut, we cannot place the denture flange accurately. So, incorrect centric occlusion, in case of remaining natural teeth, those are over erupted. So we cannot record a centric occlusion correctly. Means there is less possibility. So inability to accomplish the denture trying. So we extract the teeth after the fabrication of denture. So it is difficult or inability to accomplish the denture trying, and more chair side time is required, and the cost is again the one of the factor, more difficult and demanding procedure. These are the disadvantages. So clinical procedure. In clinical procedure, see, before the extraction, in first extraction visit, we have to thoroughly inspect the mouth, and diagnosis and treatment planning is decided. After that, we have to do the tray selection. Tray modification is done here. So the methods of tray modification, these are the ABC, that is addition, bending, and cutting. So here they have used putty material for the tray modification. After the modifying tray, the impression is recorded. Here you can see the nice primary impression. After making a primary impression, they have poured the impression and made cast. See, the cast is nicely trimmed. See, this is the plant area, everything. See, after diagnostic cast, after fabrication of diagnostic cast, custom trays are fabricated on both the cast. See the this is the dimension. This is handle. Handle is again optional. So you can hold the tray with the help of anterior extension of denture. Here you can hold the tray. So after fabrication of a custom tray, see, after fabrication of custom tray, we make the final impression. So this is the final impression. After final impression, we get final cast with a proper extension. After that, final cast, jaw relation. In jaw relation, again, the jaw relation is when muscular and intercuspal position coincide, and when muscular and intercuspal position does not coincide. So, recording the jaw relation. So, wax occlusal rims are made on the record basis. After the occlusal rim, making occlusal rim trying is done. So, it's a video is recorded. It is very easy. If there is no over eruption of the teeth, video can be easily recorded. But if over eruption is occurred, then you have to see the desired VD is recorded. After that, the centric relation is recorded, phaseboard transfer is done, and cast is mounted. This is phaseboard transfer, and cast is mounted. After the mounting of the cast, setting the denture teeth and verifying the jaw relation and the patient trying is done. See here, the patient trying is done for the lost teeth only. So posterior teeth arrangement is done. Verify the centric relation and vertical dimension at occlusion. Discuss about the aesthetics, midline and plane of occlusion with the technician. Then cast is marked with the pocket depth and free gingival margin. Line is line demarking the interproximal of each tooth. So here, after during trying, we have to see the centric relation and the vertical dimension, and these are the teeth before extraction. So we have to plan for these teeth also. So we have to discuss the technician regarding the midline, aesthetic, plane of occlusion, everything, and we have to give the instruction to the technician accordingly. After all these procedure, we have to process and finished final denture. So processed and finished in usual manner as that of the conventional denture. So after fabrication of conventional denture, insertion of denture. So before insertion, we have to extract the teeth. After extracting the teeth, nice suture is given. We have to inspect for the any bony spicule is there or any sharp bony margin is there. We have to file it nicely, and after that, sutures are given. Then denture is given to the patient. So here you can see. Here you can see the sutures are given and the denture is given, occlusion is checked. In the first appointment, we cannot do much, but after 24 hours, we have to call the patient for aftercare, and we have to instruct the patient not to remove the denture for at least 20, not for at least 24 hours, because within 24 hours the edematous reaction occurs. So we have to ask the patient not to remove the denture for 24 hours, and no vigorous mouth washing is done, no hot food and drink or alcohol. Analgesics are prescribed and liquid diet is prescribed. So the post-extraction instructions are given to the denture. After the given to the patient after the examination, after 24 hours, the denture is removed by the dentist, and the irrigation is done with warm saline and check tissue for sore spot. Wherever sore spots are seen in the patient mouth, that area is relieved on the denture. Then gross occlusal discrepancy is corrected, because the sore spot can be because of this bony spicule, or it may be because of occlusal discrepancy. So you have to correct the gross occlusal discrepancy as well, and re-evaluate for the retention. As you have done the modification on the impression area, you have to re-evaluate for the retention. Then the counsel the patient to wear the denture at night for 7 days. Only night wearing is allowed for the 7 days until the swelling subside and the sutures are removed. Then patient is asked to use denture for the mastication. Warm saline rinses and the mouth washes are prescribed 3 to 4 times a day. So, optimum oral hygiene is important in case of a immediate denture, because if a patient don't maintain oral hygiene, then there will be infection, swelling, inflammation, and pain. So patient is not able to wear the denture again. So you have to ask the patient to maintain good oral hygiene. Examination after 1 week is done. Again, patient is recalled after 1 week for the suture removal. And then after the removal of suture, you have to inspect for the proper healing of the tissue, or maybe is there any signs of infection or inflammation, or any unhealed socket wound is present. You have to inspect everything. After that, necessary denture adjustment are done. Patient must be encouraged for regular examination. So further follow-up rate, patient is seen weekly for the adjustment. Then denture adhesive can be used in case of no retention because we are doing the adjustment on the tissue surface. So you have to call the patient for adjustment, weekly adjustment, and after that you can prescribe the adhesive. After 2 weeks, remount the cast on a semi-adjustable articulator, and centric record is used with the help of centric record. Refinement of the occlusion is done before flasking. So subsequent service for the immediate danger patient. Sore spots are eliminated. Then recall for changing tissue conditioner, relining, rebasing, and second danger started up if necessary. Second danger is started after 3 to 6 months if desired. Because in many cases there is tissue and bone remolding occur, and in those cases only relining or rebasing cannot help the patient for the retention of denture. So you, in those cases you can start the second denture after 3 to 6 months. So to summarize this topic, so immediate denture should fulfill the important role in today's treatment modality by providing the patient with aesthetic function, psychological support after the extraction and during healing phase. The technique is more demanding than regular complete denture for both patients and dentist. If the patient is prepared, an appropriate type of the immediate denture is selected, the resulting prosthesis can be a success. See here, you can see the case. Here, all these teeth are extracted and they have replaced with the immediate denture. See how nicely they have made the immediate denture. So, in short, the immediate denture helps in patient for the helps patient psychological benefit is provided by the immediate denture. Immediately after the extraction, aesthetics function is restored. So, though it is time demanding procedure and costly, still immediate denture helps in patient a lot, and patient is easily adapted to the immediate denture. Any questions regarding this topic? Okay, thank you.